welcome to the 8th episode of Fridays at Frontline. My name is Sarah, and I'm going to be your host. Today our episode is going to be focused on ballistic panel options that are available aftermarket once you've received your vehicle that can be installed by your upfitter or if you're retrofitting your current fleet. This is just a small sample of one of the products we'll be talking about, but we'll get you more informed and up to date on what's out there and what you can do to keep your fleet safer. The first panel we're going to talk about today is this level 3A panel made by Angel Armor. As you can see, it's pretty lightweight, less than 10 pounds. Really easy install, goes in the door in about 10 to 15 minutes per side, exceeds all the 3A standards, actually holds up to that multi-round defense and handles all the handguns that you commonly see. But another great feature is the fact that if you get in a collision with this vehicle, and as long as the door isn't damaged, we're able to deinstall it and reinstall it in another vehicle of the same make and model for you. That makes it a lot less expensive than the traditional model you would buy from the dealership, but also, even just if you use it one time, it's still almost half the price. It is a great way to add some added security and safety to your officers without the extra expense. The second panel we're going to talk about is this level 3 plus panel that Angel Armor makes. Now it's quite a bit heavier, at just a little under 50 pounds, and takes quite a bit longer to install. But you get that rifle protection, still exceeds the multi-round standards, and you get that special threat level protection against the 7.62 and 5.56 rounds. Now, this one is still removable and can be installed in other vehicles should this vehicle get totaled and the door doesn't get damaged.
More than anything, we want your fleet safe and your officers protected. These door panels give you the added safety to do that. Now, they're a proprietary one-piece design. They give you that added extra protection, and you can move them from vehicle to vehicle as your fleet changes. We really hope you've learned some new information today about the availability of adding ballistic door panels after the purchase of the vehicle. If there's any questions you have or further information you'd like, please feel free to reach out. Thank you for joining us for another episode of Fridays at Frontline. We look forward to seeing you next time.